Anyone paying attention to Vancouver's superheated housing market will be no stranger to the teardown. Someone buys up a pricey piece of land, doesn't really care about the old home sitting on top of it, and knocks it down with a plan to rebuild from scratch. But those old homes have to go somewhere. And today, Metro Vancouver is saying they're running out of room for all the waste. The region's waste facilities choked with hundreds of thousands of tons of construction materials. So think of all the stuff that you'd find in or around a home, from wood to asphalt, stucco, insulation, metal, carpet, plastics. It all ends up in places like this. Now, Tina Lovegreen paid one of those facilities a visit earlier today down in New Westminster. Here's what she found.
I'm at Harvest Powers in New Westminster. This is one of the locations where construction and demolition waste is recycled. Behind me here, you can see that big pile of wood. That's the waste that comes in. The garbage is sorted, tossed aside. The metals and the plastic is recycled. And the clean wood goes through a processing plant. And at the very end, it spits out clean recycled wood that is turned into biofuel. And in the short time that we've been here, we've seen truckloads after truckloads come through dropping off waste. This is one of two facilities that this company owns. There is a dozen other facilities all around town that do the same thing, and they've all been busy.
This site is at capacity. We take in 500 tons per day here, and that's what we're doing right now. It's very robust. All you need to do is to look at the Vancouver skyline and see all the cranes. That's producing a lot of construction and demolition waste, which we're processing here.
Metro Vancouver oversees and licenses these private facilities, and it says from 2011 to 2015, construction waste has actually gone up 40%. So the problem is that there's so much construction waste, and these facilities are at capacity. They can't take in more. So Metro Vancouver is encouraging more private facilities to open up.
What we're seeing is that there's a number of facilities around the region that receive construction and demolition waste. Definitely what we're seeing is those facilities are more and more busy, and we are seeing opportunities for more recycling of that material, so the potential for more facilities in the region.
The CEO of this facility is actually in town from the United States to look at opening up a third location, but finding a suitable location can be challenging because who wants this in their backyard? And also, it's a regulatory process, so it takes a long time to get the permit. Meanwhile, Metro Vancouver is encouraging more sorting of construction recyclables on site to ease the stress of these facilities.
Tina Lovegreen in New Westminster today.